Hello everyone, can you guys hear me? Okay, let's have a sound check. Hi Ajay, can you hear me? It's all good. Okay, I test. I think you guys can hear me. Yes, okay. How you are doing? Are you doing good? Okay, so basically today just the topic is quite I think the basic, but it's quite powerful if you trade and use the chart pattern for confirmation. Okay, good day everyone. Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are. Welcome to IC Market webinars. Okay, let me see. Okay, shall we start guys? I think about 6 of you guys here. Okay, shall we start? Just give me a second. Cool. Okay, so before I start the webinars, disclaimer as usual guys. Okay, this is marketing communication, alright, does not contain and should not be construed as containing investment advice or an investment recommendation. Okay, and IC Market Global make no representation and assume no liability as to accuracy or completeness of information provided, nor any loss arising from any investment based on recommendation, forecast, or other information supplied by IC Market Global. And risk warning over here. Okay, trading forex and CFD carry a high level risk of to your capital, and you should only trade with money you can afford to lose. Trading forex and CFD may not suitable for all investors. Okay, and the agenda for today. Okay, about myself, introduction first. My name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader. Okay, so this is the agenda for today. So basically we will cover what are chart pattern, okay, continuation and reversal pattern, example of those chart pattern, and where you're going to place the exit and take profit and stop loss, okay, using the chart pattern basically. Okay, so what are the chart patterns? So basically it's the information created by the movement of price on a chart, reflecting supply and demand dynamic, help predict future price movement, key tool for technical analysis. So usually we use the chart pattern to confirm for confirmation. Okay, I will show you guys later. And there are two types of chart pattern. First is continuation pattern. It indicates the trend will likely continue after the pattern completes. Second, reversal pattern is a signal of possible change in the direction of the trend. And there will be 4 continuation pattern. First one is the flag. Okay, actually it's a small rectangle that slope against the prevailing trend. Okay, this is a flag. Okay, and pennant is small symmetrical triangle including brief consolidation. So this is the one. Okay, and you will see that the pennant and descending triangle, okay, it looks similar. Okay, the difference between this pattern, okay, the pennant here and the triangle here, usually this one is for continuation. Okay, most of the time, okay? But whenever you see the ascending, descending, or similar triangle, this one it could be reversal pattern or it could be continuation pattern as well, okay? And rectangle actually is a sideway, okay? So this is sideway, okay? And another no, did I cover already? Okay, so for the reversal pattern, we have head and shoulder, or top, and it could be like top and the bottom, which is this could be the reversal for the bearish, right? And if at the bullish, they were gonna be something like that, right? And continue, okay? And double top, double bottom, it will look like this, or you either you say M pattern or W pattern, okay? And so basically, like double top and double bottom is a failure to break new high or new low signal reversal, okay? I think this pattern I can see on the chart, which is this one. Go, okay, here. Yeah, okay. If we were to look here for the double top, do you see the double top over here at the resistance level? This one, right? This is our resistance level here, and what you could see here, they're forming, okay, like double top. You may highlight the zone, right? This is the weak in the body. Usually that is like the zone, meaning that if we see that, okay, this is, it seems like the reversal pattern is happen at the first resistance level, okay, you're gonna sell here, okay? This is our confirmation, right, at the resistance level here in H1, and you can see that at the resistance level you can see a lot of weak or rejection, so you can sell. You put the stop loss above where this high, okay, above this high, and then you can see price falling, okay? For your first TP, let's say if we're gonna sell at this level, you can aim for at the body, this your take profit, right? You can see this your take profit, okay, boom, and then price all the way to your take profit. Let's say we entering here a TP1 is about 300 pip, no, yeah, 300 pip or 350 pip, okay, or 3000 point for gold, right? Here we will use the chart pattern when the price is approaching or nearing or occur at our first support and first resistance or the key level, and then you kind of look for the chart pattern for your confirmation. For example, if you want to trade gold, you can use the chart pattern in a lower time frame as well. For example, here, this is our high. For example, if I were to identify this one is for my first, okay, this is my first resistance level, okay, which is first resistance, okay. Let's say you identify at 34 94, okay, which is over here, okay. You need to monitor your eyesight, right? In the eyesight over here, yes, just move. Where is my, okay, okay, for example, you see here and then you will see that, oh, it seems like price is going to break above your resistance, which is this all-time high, right, at 34.94. But you will look at the I side, right? The I side is already telling you that they might, or they're going to reverse from this because that is a divergence, but it's over here, it's not completed yet, because for the divergence, price need to make a higher high, right? Okay, I'll show you first. Okay, need to make a higher high and then falling to complete the divergence here. Okay, now I teach you how to see, how to read. Okay, and the I side is already forming lower high. Okay, and another one, and then you will see that, okay, the number 3005, right? What we can use the extension in the lower time frame. Okay, for the extension you can use any time frame. Okay, that would be where extension, that would be, okay, I think I will look at 3005, which is extension here, right? You can see that. Then potential, they will make the divergence, which is follow the RSI. Okay, here look, boom. Okay, price go here, and in the lower time frame, which is M5, you will see that they also look like, if they can, we will sell here, we sell the extension. This one is gonna be your first TP, okay, which is how many pip? For example, it's about 2000 pip, 2.5, 250 pip. Okay, now one price forming in the lower time frame is look like your M pattern. Okay, if you don't know how to look, again, okay, M pattern or like double top. Actually, double top, right, that doesn't mean like every time they have to, you know, go back and exact like equal or equal high like that. No, sometimes it might like slightly go up. That is still considered double top. Okay, and it happened at the key resistance, or which is 3005. Price is falling. Okay, you hold, right, because this is your resistance level, and then you hold to where when you take profit first in the M15, M5. This is your TP1. If you want to hold, you can chip your stop loss to tailing stop loss, right? You may stop loss somewhere around here, for example. Okay, your TP for the support level, this is to be TP2 at this like overlap or pullback support level. Okay, price, and now price might go back up again to this level and then falling, which is to this order block. Now they're not going back up, so this hit your TP2 all the way to this support level, right, and then rising. So this is gonna be your another sell. This is your confirmation, right? You sell. If you want to have another sell, you wait for price to pull back. Okay, look at the RSI as well. They will pull back. There will gonna be two zones for you to sell. Okay, we already see chart pattern. There's an order block here. We also have another sell zone somewhere around here, which is somewhere here to the neckline. Okay, let's see. You're rising? No, I can't remember. Okay, let's just see. Make it faster. No, they all the way go down, meaning that break all the way down to in the lower time frame to where actually there's an overbought as well to the this kind of wick here. Okay, so that is another zone that I still think that price will go up, but I don't like. Let's see. It was still another zone for scalping. Okay, if you want to look at the lower time frame, that's gonna be another one. it means like that they may not go up anymore. So what we need to do, you look for the higher time frame, which is H1 or H4, right? If you look at the candle, you will see that there is the selling pressure here, break below this week, pull back, okay, pull back here, slightly pull back, and then selling off, which is this is another your pullback support level. Okay, so meaning price did not go here. But again, what I want to show you, if you want to sell, right, you need to, this is your confirmation. Okay, I can't see my mouse. And the other one, okay, is another reversal pattern, triple top or triple bottom, stronger form of double pattern showing repeated failure. Okay, or this is like rounding bottom, or you can just like say cup and handle. Okay, so for this one, for triple top or triple bottom, I think I saw that in gold, which is that's what like quite long time ago. It happened at the support level, triple. This one also, right, this one is your double bottom here, right? This one, do you see that double bottom or like W pattern? Right, you can see that it's happened where it's happened your support level. Okay, there will be, I think, in the D1 candle. Oh, here, right? This is very nice double triple bottom, and it's very powerful, right? And price is rising from here. Okay, you can see that it's very rare that you will see like a triple bottom or triple top, but double bottom you will see this is another one. Okay, and you will see here 1005 that go for back again in November 3rd 2022. Okay, and here I don't think we're gonna see go for to this anymore, right? You can see that, and then it rising, break the high and pull back. You can have another buy at this level, which is a pullback, which is, if you were to look at market structures, right, from here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, equal low, low high, and another equal low and higher high. So this the break your resistance, or you just say this your market structure shift or break of chain of character, and then price rising, and you can see that it pull back to the level, to the resistance, now become your pullback support, and then it rising. Okay, and it go back up again to this support level, and that support level here, what do you see? Do you see the chart pattern? Yes, right? And this one, price come back, rejected, rising, falling again, show you the price action. Okay, and now we can see that they make the double top, double bottom or equal low, right? And then rising. Okay, they all break this high as well. You can see that, right? If you just want to like find the key level, resistance, pull back, become your support, and then rising again. Okay, you guys have any question? Here also like double top. Falling. Okay, and this one is where at your resistance level. So now, right, you can see your resistance level. You see that there is your price action, which is this one. To me, I use price action and chart pattern for my confirmation. Okay, so for example, here there's a chart price action at the resistance on it was on September 1st 2023. Okay, 2023, right? The next day, which is September 4th, you need to look for the sell entry. Now, where is my chart? Yeah. No, here. Okay. I will show you guys here. Okay, so now price at the first resistance level. Okay, they show you the price action or PA. So now you can go to the lower time frame to look for the chart pattern or side or reversal. Okay, this is, let's just look at the M30. What do you see? Let me go to M5. There is no pattern, but never mind, let's look here. This one is the September. Look. Okay, so now, right, if you were to look at the this is our resistance level from D1 candle. Okay, look at the H1 candle. Okay, they have the bearish engulfing candle here. Okay, so our strategy usually you will trade with like order block. You need to wait for price to go in the box and then you sell. Okay, now we want to wait for confirmation when the price go in the box. Okay, what do you see? Okay, if I want to narrow down, they might have the FVG here. You will see whether we can find the chart pattern over here. Sometime I will go to the, okay, in M1, okay, I see seem like double top somewhere around here, or like triple or head and shoulder. Yeah, left head and right shoulder here, and then falling. So we need, so let's see now, right? Go to M5. Okay, let me just see. So the early cash we will get where? Here, right, in M1, within the zone. Within the zone, you will see, you sometimes if you cannot see, you need to train yourself, right? This is head and shoulder, right? Left head and right. For example, you can use the Fibo to draw, and then over here should be somewhere around close to or slightly above 78.6% here, and then you sell. But this is M1. Oh no. Okay, M1 actually the price is just not much different. It's about not even like 1 pip. Okay, but this is M1. Okay, let's say if you were to enter here, that is okay as well. Like this level. This level is I use the price. Let's just say around it's about 1945, and price all the way up here to 1946 is only like 1 pip. It's only 10 pip. So if you short one lot, price just reward, you will lose $100. I mean floating lot $100. Doesn't mean like if you price only, you know, rising only 10 pip, and then you tell me that you got stop out, or you like cow go, meaning you overtrade. Okay, ready? Is the M1. Okay, price falling within the zone. That's why we need to zoom in to look for the confirmation chart pattern. price action, divergence, a lot of like rejection within the zone. Okay, now price is falling and we have the good cash where here. And now let's say you sell here, price falling from 1945 all the way now to 1945. 1944 is about only 10, let's just say 10 pip. Okay, let's see where you take profit. If I were to trade in M5 for scalping, I might say this is my TP1 somewhere around here for scalping. Okay, does it want to go up or not? TP. So now if we enter here, price might rising, either you get break even or you hold. Okay, and now it TP is about 50 pip for gold for scalping. Now we go to the higher time frame. What do you see in H1? In H1 time frame, you will see your confirmation here, right? And today we look for the sell entry because D1 is closing with your price action here. Okay, so the next day you will look for the sell entry, not buy. If you want to buy, you need to know where you close and look at H4. Okay, H4 also closing with price action, valid engulfing candle. Okay, so in the lower time frame, sometimes price might go back up or it may not, but they might go back up here again. You want to see like that. I go to the higher time frame. The first sale is gonna be for 1941. Let me pull and see. Okay, price not go all the way down and up here to the support level and rising. So now based on H4 time frame, if you want to sell, this is your zone. Let me go to the lower time frame if we can see the confirmation. Now let's say if I were to identify this is my first support, right? But over here I saw that is a demand somewhere around here. Okay, let's say if you want to wait for confirmation at this zone, okay, if you to zoom to M5 or M15, what do you see? Sometimes you may not see the chart pattern, but you will see that ranging within the zone, or you can see the rejection. Okay, what do you see here? M5, right? You can see the lowest one is around here and then price rising and then fall back up again. Wick could not go beyond or below like this level. Now we go to M15. What do you see in M15? M15 you can see a lot of rejection, and this is the zone, right? The wick go in the zone, the buyer push the price up, back up again, come back up again, then there's a buyer push the price up. So this is you can buy at this level. Okay, because sometimes you may not see the chart pattern, but you see the confirmation, those like rejection, a lot of wick. Okay, and then you can see price is rising, and I go to M30. Okay, M30 really lovely. M30 within our zone, you will see. Okay, like I know that like this webinar I will talking about the chart pattern, but I just want to show you guys, sometimes you may not see the chart pattern, but you can see the PA, price action, which is you can see that this is closing with bullet engulfing candle, and then you can see that price, which is this one, price go back in again to the box and then bounce up. So that's why M30 closing this candle, you wait for price to pull back and then you buy. Okay, which is like this one, which is this one, right? You can see the rejection, a really long wick here, and then you buy up, and you also can combine with the I sign, you can see the I sign is already oversold. Okay, it's all close to level 30 and then rising. Now this is our support, right? And if I want to buy, I'm waiting to, sorry, if I want to sell, I'm waiting to sell at this level, which is price did not come. You want to see like that, you need to change your level, meaning that if this is price may not come, okay, because why? You want to look at the chart, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is going to be your resistance level, and then falling. And this one is might be your sell zone, which is maybe first sell zone here, second sell zone could be here. Okay, let's see. Boom, I go down first to the zone. Okay, let's say within the zone here, within the zone, price falling to how many pip? For scalping, 70 pip and rising again. So if rising like that within the zone for the M15, okay, I may not sell because this is the build pattern. I don't want to give you guys so confused, right? If you want to sell like that in the lower time frame, this is gonna be my take profit, okay? And when I see like double bottom here and they kind of form the like the build pattern or like double bottom here like that, okay? Price falling here again and then rising, okay? And you can see this level, no, this candle is your price action. They come back here, okay? Now if you want to buy here, your take profit always take the recent high, which is TP1 here first. Always if you want to buy, you put your TP at the body of the candle, not the wick, because sometimes price may not go to the wick. Here just want to make sure 99.5% price will come to the body, okay, and take profit. For example, price rising here and then you take profit here, and then you can see that they only go to this body and then falling, because now we see the charts show you already. But when the live market, we don't know, maybe over here this is our resistance level, right? From here price might falling, okay, you may not, you know, close, or we don't know, okay? And then after that price rising, maybe hit your take profit, happy for you. But sometimes price might just revert and maybe hit your stop loss if you buy, okay? So try to put your take profit if you want to buy at the body of the candle, okay, and then stop loss above the wick. Now I go back up here again, okay? This is our sell zone, right? Now if I want to sell at this level in the H1 candle, okay, I see that, okay, they might have like equal high here, or is it they might want to like become like M pattern. But because of this candle, the current candle here, they need to close with red candle. If they close with the green, they might, you know, go all the way up here. So we need to monitor this candle. Let's see, okay, right? You can see that they come back up and rising, meaning that they will go to this zone. They are not interested in this zone anymore, okay? From this resistance, it's going to pull back, become support, and this is the inertial zone that we were waiting for. Let's just see, right? Go to the zone, see, right? And M1, not M1, H1 give you the price action. So let's say this one we thought like M pattern, right? That's why I say if you were to think that, okay, this might be an M pattern, if you were to sell, if you like stay alert, you might close somewhere around here, or you sell here. If H1 closing with bullish end gap like that, you need to close your position, or because price is going to bullish and we have another zone which is here, and then price is rising and they you can sell this zone with your price action here. Okay, you can see that, and then you can open your sale at this candle, and then price will fall to, I just put the body is about 40 pip. Okay, let's see. Right, go all the way and boom, and come down to this zone. You see this zone we overthink, they still come, eventually they also come, right? 1945, and then they come and boom, here this is the zone is still fresh, they haven't come yet, and then falling. How many pip is that? Let's just say 160 pip. Okay, any question, guys? For the rounding bottom, I seldom trade with those like carbon handles. Some of you guys say carbon handle or rounding bottom here, because I cannot spot. Okay, because to me, my imagination, I cannot see that it's like look like the curve, or I know look like that, right? And then go, and maybe here they might say like carbon handle somewhere here, and then rising, something like that. Okay, so to me it's really hard for me to spot. So if you guys can spot, yeah, it will look like that. Okay, downtrend usually it will gather chip from bearish to bullish sentiment, which is look like that, bearish, price falling down. Okay, at the support, and then if they can break this is resistance, right? Okay, if sometimes it might break above, or sometimes it might pull back here, and then you can just buy from this level. Okay, you have any question? I think chart pattern is quite straightforward, guys. Okay, let's see if we want to test with others pair. Let's see if I want to test on the EU. Okay, EU price all the way to resistance level. I think this is seen yesterday. Okay, break. This one is also chart pattern, right? Break above, triangle, break above, and then use anyone sell here. This is our first resistance level in H1. Okay, this is in H4. We draw in H4 here. If you price go to the zone, right? If you go to H1, or you see like multi time frame, you will see your price action here. Your price action here, right? If you want to see like that, oh, this is gonna be my lovely entry. Okay, we zoom. Okay, now you see your price action here for M15. Now let's see if we can see the chart pattern. There is no chart pattern here. I haven't seen M5, but what we can see here, right? But in M15, there is a chart, your price action. Okay. Okay. M5 or M1, I did not see. Maybe I just see like equal high. Okay, but the confirmation that we can get is M1. Sorry, H1, right? Then you sell. Anybody sell at this level, you take profit maybe at this like support level here, and then price is falling. Take profit, which is this your TP1. Okay, this how many pip? 44 pip. That's good enough, right? Now I go back to again TP close. I remove this. Let me look for the like here. This one as well, guys. This one also double top falling. Okay, and they back up here, and then you sell. You sell, and then price break above, pull back, and rising right here. So if you were to sell at the pullback, the body 94 pip. Okay, and of course those chart pattern is need to happen at the key level. It's here, right? It's here. You highlight the zone. Okay, this is your zone. Okay, and over here, either I say I have triple top, I might see like that. Okay, here, right? You can see that. Oh. And here, and this is our key. It's a multi-swing high, maybe on the left it's a resistance. So this is a key resistance level, rejected, right? Rejection, a few times rejection, and come back. So where if we going to put the stop loss in this case, right? You can use the Fibonacci extension, which is already like taught you guys how to use it. You can place the stop loss above the extension in the H4 time frame, or you go to M, like lower time frame, that would be M5 or M15. Okay, do you see your within the H4 candle, you'll see the M pattern here, right? M pattern, I see the M pattern here, or like double top. To sell for the scalping, TP1 for scalping, and of course in the H4, this is where the demand or bullish order block. Okay, so if you were to look in M15, you're gonna sell. You target here first, boom. Okay, TP, how many pip? Let's say I or and here 18, 20 pip. Okay, now H4 candle, the level that I'm looking for, the first support, this is the first support, this is gonna be my second support, meaning that if you were to sell here, okay, you can hold to the first support TP1 and TP2 for H4. But if you think that you cannot hold, if you want to trade in the lower time frame, you can, which is this is TP1, and sometime in the lower time frame, price may pull back here to the neckline, right? And the may pull back and then continue. But sometimes it may not pull back, sometimes it just go all the way to the support level, right? TP, this is your first support. H4 first support, you can buy. Lower time frame price action, okay, you buy up, falling from the support. Now it pull back, become your resistance level, the target here. This is your second support for H4 TP, right? That is your take profit. You guys have any question? Oh, okay. I just saw your message. Hi, are you only doing a webinar for IC? I'm doing for IC, yes. Thank you for the webinar. Can you show continuation pattern? Continuation pattern is, I don't know if I can find, but continuation pattern usually is this pattern. Okay, let me see if I can find. Flag. Oh, actually yes. I think I saw that. Gold, we have that. Okay, I go back to gold. We have that will be okay. This is a reversal. No, wait, I saw that in H4. There is the this is the continue pattern, which is this one here. Oh, sorry. This one. No, I don't do this. This one better. This one is look like the flag. Okay, this one look like the pennant. Here, it look like this one, right? Look like this one. The flag, small flag here. She's will look. If you want to have the this one. Right here. So, and then continue, right? This is just a pull back, okay, and then break below, continue. This is the one. And I also see, okay, this is the this continue, which is rectangle. Okay, rectangle we have a sideway, and go we have which is this one. Okay, here. Here. This is rectangle, right? And then rising. Yeah, actually gold. I saw quite a lot of those chart pattern in the lower time frame, like H1. Let me see. I go to the daily candle. This one also. This one somewhere like that. Oh. Okay. Wait. Okay. This is another one. This is a sideway, right? Within the you can see the wick in the body, and after that they continue break D1, break above this candle and continue to go up. Okay, this one. I saw quite a few. This is the continue bearish pattern here. This is the one. I will remove this one first, okay? No, this is not H1. Because I trade gold, usually I will see chart pattern H4, H1, and D1, like this one, right? This one also like double, like a reversal pattern, like this one, double bottom, look like here. Okay, this one also like double bottom here. Again, this is very fake here. Oh, let me go back. There is the pattern, but I seldom see. Okay. But it look like that, okay guys. Sometime, okay, maybe like here. Okay, you just want to look like that. This is the wig. Maybe I'll pull here. This may not beautiful, but okay, and then you can see that, right? This is a resistance from here, break, pull, and rising. This is not really beautiful, but somehow it look like that. Okay. What do you see this one? See just the one sideways. Can't find already. Okay. That's this or okay, these are sideways, right? This is sideways within the box and then rising. Okay. Okay, here triangle, triangle, something like that. This also look like flag. Okay, here. Yeah. Something like that, guys. This kind of pattern. Sideways. This and no. Okay. That's all. It looks like that. Maybe you go wig. Let's see if I can see the continuation pattern in the weekly time frame. Yes, weekly time frame you see, yeah. Even like maybe here and here. I will put the wig either here or here. The weekly. Week I cannot see much. Mostly H4 and H1. H1. Okay, any question, guys? Nice to see you too, Karim. Is this I pronounce your name correctly? Okay, that's all. This is the double bottom here. Okay, double bottom. Okay, that should be all for today for all about chart pattern. This yes, you can just you know, watch later. I think they're going to keep it in the YouTube. Whenever you have time, just go back and replay and rewatch. Okay, so now we still have 5 minutes. Do you have any instrument you want me to look for you guys? Now, anybody sell gold from this resistance level here? This is your resistance level. Okay, this zone, the wick and the body. Let's say if you don't have any position for gold, Okay, sure, maybe we are wait at this level to buy for support. First support. Let me see. Okay guys, actually I have a question. Do you have any topic you want to learn? Okay, I run out of the topic I want to share with you guys. Any topic that you guys interested or you want to know more, you can let me know as well. Okay, this is second support. At this level and this level, there is a 50 and 61.8% fib. Okay, this level. To 61. You're welcome. Okay, so this is the zone. So you can buy at this level, at this zone, if you see confirmation. This is the price, and this is the price. Okay. Okay, how to establish a strategy with the right risk ratio, spotting good entry, stop loss, and take profit. Okay, if you want to talk about risk and reward, you need two time frame. Higher time frame for key level, you go to the lower time frame for your entry, and then you can have tight stop loss with the high risk and reward. Okay, but again, sometimes risk and reward also not suitable for like scalper. Okay, for like for scalping strategy, we measure on win rate. Okay, the win rate should be more than 85 to 90%, and then that strategy is suitable for scalping. Okay, but you talk about risk and reward, yeah, you need two time frame, higher time frame to look for the key level, look for the order block, look for demand and supply. Lower time frame M5, M15. If you cannot see the confirmation in M5, M15, sometimes you need to wait for H1 to close, and then you enter the trade. USD chef. Nah, the support level since yesterday. This is since yesterday. I haven't changed. Rising. Okay, anybody buy? And you can see that support level here, even though slightly go down, they also closing with bullet and gap, right? You can see you can buy some. I still haven't closed. It's still the same. Do you buy? Jamilu, you asked me yesterday on live training section. So we're gonna target here for take profit, but it will take time because usually in H4, if you want to hold longer, if you go here, from here you might see like, you know, the pullback, or they might go all the way up here to like those like resistance, the minor one, or slightly pullback, or maybe all the way to here. The key level is still here. We have 61.8% right here as well. How to add to winner, how to compound gain in a few asset, topic building and position. Oh, okay, you want to learn. I tell you, if you want to like trade with like different pair, keep to the basic. If you like to trade gold, if you like to trade gold, then you should trade EURUSD and GBPUSD as well. Try not to trade with those like the pair that is not a major, because you know it's no volume. Okay, and the spread is quite high. Okay, like for I myself, let's say if I short gold, then I will short EURUSD, I will short GBP, because they are moved the same direction. But sometimes gold it has positive correlation with dollar, but most of the time they are negative correlation. Okay, or if you trade gold, and then maybe you can trade oil or silver, because they also move the same direction. You can see that this is the silver. Yesterday somebody asked me, I believe I say we were gonna sell here, and then price also come. I tell them that we're gonna sell here because we have 61.8%, and we also have extension 127, and then you can see the price is falling. Okay, let's see. Okay, now At the resistance level, I see price ending with engulf, bullish engulfing right here. Okay, so I still sell. Okay, even sometimes in the lower time frame you might see like price slightly go above. That is okay. Okay, because in the higher time frame it look like that. They might just go up, but it's ending with bullish engulf, bearish engulf, and then you sell for silver. Okay. Yeah. Try not to trade all like those like so many pair. Actually, I just stick with 3 pairs. Okay, gold, EU, USD, GBP. That's it. Okay. The rest of this I don't trade unless I see the good setup in the key level, and then I will either buy or sell. Okay. Actually, this is the wanted to sell here, but now it's in my price. It close above and pull back. Maybe, oh no, this is the not the key level, sorry. The key level is there. Yeah, still hold the buy entry for UJ. Okay, all right guys, that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for your time. I will see you guys again next week. Okay, so I already take notes of all the topic that some of you guys suggested here. Okay, I will just maybe come up with those topics for you guys. Okay, all right guys, bye for now. Thank you so much for joining. Take care. Bye bye.